Here's how to avoid a lengthy legal battle in court. In real estate, they say the three most important things are location, location, and location. When it comes to your divorce, the three most important concepts are process, process, and process. There's three essential processes that'll get you to the finish line of your divorce: litigation, mediation, and the collaborative divorce process. Litigation is when you and your spouse hire attorneys to essentially fight it out in court and have a judge make the decisions for you with respect to your finances and any type of custody and support. In mediation, you have a neutral attorney, usually, who's assisting you through the process, filing the paperwork for you, giving you legal information, not necessarily legal advice, but legal information, and filing the judgment for you based on the agreements that you reach in mediation. The collaborative divorce process has you represented by attorneys with a team of professionals, including a financial expert and mental health professionals, who function as a team cooperatively to help you through your divorce process. So which process is best for you? Well, you have to ask yourself two things. What is my level of trust, and what is the complexity of my case? So based on those two answers, you can figure out which is the best process for you. So first, let's talk about trust. Do you have financial trust in your spouse? Do you have a basic understanding of the finances in your household? And if the answer is yes, you probably have at least a medium to high level of trust regarding the finances. It's okay if you don't know exactly what the mortgage statement is, and it's okay if you don't have an exact balance of what's in your bank account. As long as you know where the bank accounts are, what investments you have, what retirements you have, and what real estate holdings you have a moderate to high level of trust. Then ask yourself, how much trust do you have in your partner with respect to your children? So with respect to your children, ask yourself, are they a competent parent? You might have division of labor issues. Somebody might be taking the child to the doctor a lot more, or know the teachers a little bit better. But at the end of the day, can you trust them to care for your children with respect to their education and their health and general well-being? And if the answer to that is yes, then your trust regarding the children is at least medium, if not high. So now let's move on to complexity. Do you have complex assets? Do you have a complex income? If you're both employed, chances are you get a paycheck either from self-employment or from a third party, and the complexity of your income is not high. If you have a business that you came into the relationship with that has grown in the meantime, then the financial complexity of your situation increases. If you have a business that has expanded and now you have several stores, then that increases as well. And I would say if you have a business that's international with lots of different offices, with intellectual property issues, then that's probably a highly complex financial situation. So how do you process all of this information? If your trust is medium to high with respect to the issues, chances are you belong in either mediation or collaborative divorce. If your trust is low with respect to the issues, and the financial complexity is high, or the complexity regarding your kids is high, you belong in litigation. That's probably the right fit for you. First, become informed, figure out what process is best for you, and choose that process. I'm Kevin Chroman. I'm a family law mediator and a collaborative divorce specialist, and I'm located in the greater Los Angeles area.